SUI set for explosive breakout. $5 target in sight. What's up, Gold Rush fam? Your boy Goldrush here. And let me tell you, if you are not paying attention to what's happening in the market right now, you are going to be left in the dust. Forget slow and steady. We are talking about explosive price action and massive percentage gains. We've been screaming about it, and now it's happening. The altcoin season is kicking into overdrive. Make sure to watch this video entirely until the end, because this could change everything for SUI holders. Today, we've got two red-hot topics that are going to make your jaw drop and your portfolio pop. We're talking about the sensational SUI token and the undeniable arrival of altcoin season. Get ready for some serious alpha, because we're about to unleash some insights that will blow your mind. Let's start with this crucial article from Cointelegraph titled, SUI's next altcoin season stop could be $5. Here's why. This isn't just a prediction, folks. This is a roadmap to riches. As you can see in this article, it states, Bitcoin has been consolidating after hitting the all-time high of $123,218. Although BTC has not given up much ground, its falling dominance of the total crypto market capitalization shows that money is flowing into altcoins. Boom. Did you hear that? Bitcoin, the big daddy, the king crypto, is taking a breather after its insane run to over $123,000. But this isn't a bad thing, my friends. This is the perfect setup. When the king consolidates, the generals and the foot soldiers of the altcoin army get ready to march. The money, the smart money, the whale money, is rotating. It's flowing from Bitcoin into those explosive altcoins, and SUI, our beloved speedy SUI, is at the forefront of this altcoin tsunami. The article continues, will SUI be one of the beneficiaries this alt season? Let's analyze the charts to find out. We are going to analyze them, alright. And what we see is pure, unadulterated bullishness. According to this article in Cointelegraph, SUI picked up momentum after breaking above the 50-day simple moving average, $3.10, on July 10th. Look at this data here. That's a classic bullish indicator. Breaking that 50-day SMA is like hitting the nitro button. It signals that the bulls, the true believers, are taking control. This isn't some small pump. This is a strategic ascension. And get this, the article states, the up move has reached near the overhead resistance of $4.30, where the sellers are expected to mount a strong defense. There is support at $3.81, and then at the 20-day exponential moving average, $3.37. If the price rebounds off the 20-day EMA, the bulls will again attempt to drive the SUI/USDT pair above $4.30. If they manage to do that, the pair could surge to $5 and eventually to $5.37. You heard it here first, folks. $5, potentially even $5.37 for speedy SUI. That's not a prediction, that's a prophecy. We are on the cusp of something absolutely massive. The sellers are trying to hold us back at $4.30, but they don't stand a chance. The buying pressure is immense, the FOMO is building, and the whales are swimming into SUI. Now, let's pivot to our second article, another absolute gem titled, SUI could potentially rally toward $5 amid emerging altcoin season and market shifts. This, from Cointelegraph, perfectly complements our first piece and adds even more fuel to our SUI rocket ship. This article highlights, altcoin season momentum boosts SUI price potential, with resistance at $4.30 key to a possible rally toward $5 amid shifting market dominance. It's all connected, my friends. The Bitcoin consolidation is sending a clear signal. It's altcoin time. The smart money knows this. The institutions, those big players with deep pockets, they are seeing the same charts, the same signals, and they are positioning themselves for this epic shift. The article emphasizes, on shorter time frames, SUI's price action reveals a bullish inverse head and shoulders pattern, a classic technical formation that often precedes upward moves. The breakout above the $3.55 neckline has been confirmed by sustained buying pressure, with the 4-hour chart showing consistent support at the 20-day EMA. Let's take a look at this chart. See that inverse head and shoulders? That's a monster signal. It screams reversal. It screams upward momentum. This isn't just retail excitement. This is a foundational shift in market sentiment. The SUI slayers are ready to dominate. This isn't just about SUI. Although SUI is a shining star in this altcoin galaxy, this is about the bigger picture, the market dynamics that are setting up for an unprecedented rally. The CoinTag article drives this point home. Bitcoin's recent consolidation phase, despite maintaining high price levels, has resulted in a decline in its market dominance, currently hovering near multi-week lows. This shift is a hallmark of an emerging altcoin season, where investors diversify their portfolios by reallocating funds into promising altcoins. This is the golden rule of crypto cycles. Bitcoin leads the charge, then it takes a breather, and then the altcoins go parabolic. It's happening right before your very eyes. The liquidity is flowing, the volume is increasing, and the market cap of these altcoins is about to explode. For all you gold rush warriors out there, this means one thing: opportunity knocks. We are talking about life-changing gains. Don't be the one sitting on the sidelines, regretting that you didn't jump in when the signals were crystal clear. I cannot stress this enough. Like this video, subscribe to the Gold Rush Crypto Daily channel, and most importantly, turn on all notifications. You need to be here, with us, when these market moves happen. Every second counts in this fast-paced crypto frontier. Share this video with every single person you know who wants to make serious money in crypto. Because the gold rush is on, and we're bringing everyone along for the ride. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty, the juicy details from CoinTag on strategic considerations. For traders, the key focus should be on monitoring the $4.30 resistance level and the 20-day EMA support to gauge the strength of the ongoing rally. A decisive close above $4.30 accompanied by volume confirmation would be a bullish signal, potentially triggering momentum-driven buying. This is your battle plan, Gold Rush fam. Watch that $4.30 like a hawk. A break above that with massive volume is your signal to get even more bullish. This isn't just hopium. This is technical precision. And for our long-term holders, the diamond hands out there, investors with a longer-term horizon may view the current consolidation as an opportunity to accumulate SUI at strategic support levels, anticipating further gains as altcoin season matures. See, even if we see a slight dip, that's just a buying opportunity for the savvy investor. Accumulate, accumulate, accumulate. Speedy SUI is just getting started on its journey to price discovery. In conclusion, both articles confirm what we've been shouting from the rooftops. The conditions are perfect for SUI to surge. The market is shifting, Bitcoin dominance is declining, and the altcoin season is here with a vengeance. The CoinTag article wraps it up perfectly. The current market environment, characterized by a shift in capital flows from Bitcoin to altcoins, provides a favorable backdrop for SUI's price appreciation. Technical indicators and chart patterns suggest that overcoming the $4.30 resistance could pave the way for a rally toward $5 and beyond. $5 and beyond, my friends. $5 and beyond. This isn't just a fantasy. This is a high-probability outcome. SUI is going parabolic. Mark my words.